All right, so there was one annoyance in that Challenge Epic Spies assignment, and it's pointed out here by user Luis Gomez. When I switch the date or the month on the calendar, the page gets refreshed and takes me to the top of the page. Is there a way to prevent this behavior? So what he's talking about is the frustration that you witnessed me having when I was making selections, like for example at the bottom of the page, and it would pop all the way back up to the top of the page. And yes, there is actually 3 ways to address this issue. You can do it at a page level, like on the default.aspx page, in code programmatically, or you can do it in a special file called the web.config. So if you do it in either of these, it's only going to be on one page, but if you were to make a change in this web.config file, it'll apply to all pages on your website. So let's start there. The web.config file is used for general configuration. I don't really want to talk about that yet because that's an ASP.NET related topic. However, we can add a little section inside of the system.web XML element, and we can say pages maintain scroll position on PostBack equals true, and then we'll just put a self and closing tag there. And so now whenever we run the application, and whenever we scroll down and make a selection in one of the lower calendar controls, you can see that the postback does happen. However, we don't have a page refresh and have to go all the way back to the top. Very cool. So this is how you can make it happen on an entire on your entire website with all the pages on your website. If you just want to do this programmatically, you can put this in the page load as well. So go page dot maintain scroll position on postback equals true, and you'll see that this works as well. And there we go. Okay. And then finally, I'll go ahead and comment this out. We'll go into the default.aspx page. If you take a look at the source, there is this declaration at the very top, and you can set it here as well. So we go maintain scroll position on postback equals true. And let's go ahead and try it. And let's pick the 18th. And let's pick a different month. And you can see that it works. All right. So pretty easy fix. Just didn't want to get into it, but it was true that this was quite a frustration. Okay, so hope that helps. Thanks.